Hello my friends, Enrique here, and today I bring you a really fast and small tutorial. You like Windows 11, but you don't like to see a start menu on the middle like this? This is a really easy thing to do, and it's going to take you less than a minute. And for that you want to right click into the start menu, go into settings, from here on the left side go into personalization, go with say taskbar, and here underneath you're going to find this menu that says taskbar behavior. Click on it, and here it is, taskbar alignment. You only want to change this from center to the left. And as you can see, without closing not even the menu, you are going to have the taskbar in the left side. Sadly, it's still not a fix without paying a third-party program to change the menu from looking like this to the old start menu. Let's hope that Windows changes that in the future. But that is pretty much it for this video and this tutorial. If you find the content useful, leave a like because this always helps the channel out. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and stay tuned because soon I'm going to give you a full optimization guide on Windows 11 for gaming and performance. Thanks for watching my friends, and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye.